we're in the car. Can you hold it? We're in the car inspecting some of the tornado damage. We're driving down, what is this road, Kate?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm going very slow. Oh, yeah, the roof is gone from that house. Oh. And that, they're supposed to be down. Oh, no.
At least it looks like the rest of the house is okay. Well, I guess not. Their 2 windows are out.
Oh my gosh.
3 more windows are out than that.
Oh.
You can see the shards of glass.
Oh.
Stop it. He's telling us to stop.
Yeah.
Sorry. That's terrible. I'm not recording these people.
Yeah, well.
Dang.
Look at the tree.
Kaboom.
We are about 4 miles from home. Those poor people.
This is terrible.
What does it say? It says F off kindly.
Where?
What's his F off kindly?
They're on their sign.
Where?
Right by the mailbox.
Oh, it says...
I'm waiting. I'll wait.
if I
Why
can
would they
zoom-
say that?
Because I guess they don't want people to stop and stare.
Fuck off.
Oh, well,
Kindly.
I was going to post this later.
Oh. Is that...
Me?
Is the F off? Can you bleep it out? Beep. It's family friendly. Oh my god, they look like they just got out of Starbucks. I mean, why am I saying that? They just got their house going down.
I would just say put the camera down at this point.
Okay.
If they said fuck off kindly, then we're not helping these people in any way. No.
Okay, am I turning it
Yeah,
off?
just turn it off. I'm